is my 1985 Honda Big Red that I picked up a couple weeks ago. When I first got it, it did not run. I had a couple problems with it. First problem was that from the factory, these came with a metal gas tank. And the gas tank, after all the years, had a rust hole on the bottom of it, which is well known with these. So I went on eBay, bought a plastic gas tank for 140 bucks, and it's actually pretty good. It's made very well. Put fresh gas in it, tried to kick it over a few times, still did nothing. Put a new spark plug in it, new air filter, a new battery, but the start button doesn't work, so I'll have to buy a new start button for it. So I put my tester on it. I checked for power to the coil. Coil wasn't getting any power, so I checked the power coming out of the stator. The stator is putting out spark, so between there is a CDI box, so figured that the CDI box wasn't putting spark to the coil, which wouldn't start the machine. Went on eBay, bought a CDI box. Had to get a used one because I couldn't find a brand new one, only for a 1986, which is 2 plugs, and I needed a single. And bought a used one, and the first kick it started up. So I put a fresh tank of gas in it, put some carb cleaner additive in it, so it would clean the carburetor out, because it hasn't ran in about 6 years or so, so it needed the carburetor needed to be cleaned out a little bit, but it runs very well. The other little problems I have with it is none of the lights are working, which they're all bad bulbs, and the plastics, I need to get new ones because they broke them and riveted them on. Came with Nerf bars though, which helps with all the sticks from hitting you in the feet. And none of the fuses are blown. I checked everyone. Just for all you guys to know that these Hondas have a neutral safety switch, so if it's not in neutral, it won't start. Sometimes the neutral safety switches actually fall off, and people can't get these things to start, and they think it's a big problem, but really it's just that they need to locate the neutral safety switch, make sure it's intact. I'll make another video on how to go through checking for spark and things like that on these things. That's idling, which I need to adjust a little bit because the idle's a little high. But hasn't ran in 6 years, so might as well. As long as it's running, it's good. Runs very well though.